Welcome back. If you don't see Harvard style citations in the reference tab, Microsoft Word likely removed it in a recent update. Don't worry, here is how we fix it in less than 2 minutes. Now open your web browser and search for the bib word. Click on that and click on the first link. So go to the search icon and type Harvard. So download the file name harvard.xsl like this one. Click on that and download the file from here. Save into your computer. I'll be put it to the desktop. Now this is the magic trick of the video that viewers find most helpful. For this you need to press the window key plus R on the keyboard to open the run the dialog box and paste the URL I'll put in the description. You can copy from there and click OK to proceed. A file will explorer window will pop up right inside Microsoft Word's internal template library. And now head to the downloaded path and copy the folder, and now right click anywhere in the empty white space of the folder that just opened. You just need to click paste to drop the file into the folder, and now close the folder and launch Microsoft Word again. Now open the blank document and once open the blank document and head back to the reference tab and click the style drop down menu. And here you can see that Harvard will now be beautifully listed in the alphabetically order. Select it and click insert citation and demonstrate it how it instantly formats into the standard Harvard format. So I hope now you have understood how to add Harvard citation style in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.